Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Sorry about the fan noise and the quality of this picture, but I don't go to the print shop anymore to get pictures for my stories. I'm staying away from crowds for the foreseeable future. These are a pair of child safety scissors. I don't know why they call them a pair, but I guess there's two parts to them. These are the kind we used when I was little. When I was in 5th grade, I had changed schools, and I didn't want to. I'd already come from another school I didn't want to go to, and I went to another school I didn't want to go to, and just made my parents miserable about that, but it was what it was. We were in 5th grade class, and I'll have to change the name to protect this guy, named Mike. Well, Mike was a nice guy. There was stuff going on with Mike. I don't know exactly what, but he's a functioning adult. He works in the corrections industry. Well, Mike thought it would be a good idea to take these scissors and dig around in a wall socket with them. Well, I didn't see him start it. I don't know that I'd said something. I can't say I was just stop. That's dangerous. I don't know that I really knew the full extent of the danger that he was flirting with those scissors. Well, he stuck them in there, and he evidently got the magic combination. He started jerking and seizing up, and his eyes were doing all kind of things in his head. And there was two, maybe four of us back there watching him. He was electrocuting himself. We didn't know what to do. We were just kind of too mesmerized, scared, to even holler for the teacher. Well, finally the teacher noticed what was going on, and she ran back there, and she hauled off and drew her foot back and kicked the daylights out of Mike. Scissors went flying one direction, Mike went rolling the other. Well, after Mike got his composure, he wanted to know what the heck happened. And we said, well, evidently you found the electricity in there you were looking for. Oh, me. But that isn't the only story with Mike. The same year, we were talking, and he asked me, he said, where do you live at? I told him, didn't think nothing about it. Weren't no fear of stuff like that back then. That Saturday morning, a car pulls up. Who would it be but Mike's grandma? He gets out of the car and she leaves like she's in a hurry. So I'm wondering, well, why is he there? And he comes up, he said, well, hey, I figured I'd come over here and spend the day with you. And I knew that wasn't going to go well with my mama. So I got my mama and told her, and she said, well, you shouldn't have invited him over here without asking me. I said, I didn't invite him over here. I said, we were just talking about where we lived. But for the longest time, she didn't believe that I didn't invite him over there. Well, he stayed there a good part of the day. He finally had to call Grandma to come get him. And after he left, my mother instructed me, don't be giving out where I live to nobody. And then I see Mike every 2 or 3 years. He'll stop in or catch me somewhere, and we'll talk for about half hour and catch up with each other. And but evidently he's doing pretty good now. There was no long-term damage from the electrical 110 that he encountered, and but that was, gosh, 5th grade. How old are you in 5th grade? You're 10 years old, I guess, 10 or 11 maybe. But I'll never forget that memory. And thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.